ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि 29th shloka on page number 21. We had already chanted the shloka. I will just chant, you will listen. Hitam samprepsatam mohadahitam cha jihasatam upayan praptihanarthan shastram bhasayater kavat. Hitam मोहात हितं संप्रेप्सताम अहितं च जिहासताम प्राप्तिहानार्थान उपायान शास्त्रं अर्कवत भासयते। संप्रेप्सताम सम एंड प्र उपसर्ग पूर्वक आप्लिर धातु एंड सन प्रत्यय। आप्लिर धातु when we do sun pratyaya, आप becomes e, so it will become ipsa. Did I give sutra last time, or we didn't see this portion?
We haven't seen, sir.
There is a sutra, आप न्यपि ऋधाम ईत, आप न्यपि ऋधाम ईत, 7.4.55. So for these three dhatus, आपृ dhatu, न्यप dhatu and ऋध dhatu, e adesha comes. That's how prepsa shabda is formed. And jihasatam dhatu is ha dhatu. Ha dhatu ha sa jihasa. Then that will become jha asa by kuhosh chuhu sutra. Then jal become jash, jihasa it will become. Because hakarasya savarniya is jha, chaturtha varna of chavarga. Is it clear?
Yes, Swami.
So this shloka, what it is trying to say is, if there is a person who is ajnani, who has moha, out of moha, mohat, hitam samprepsatam, they are seeking hitam and they want to give up ahitam. So somebody says, this is true for everybody. This is true for all ajnanis. A jnani who knows he is Brahma, nothing is going to add to this Brahma. So there is no hitam. Nothing is going to take away from Brahma. So there is no ahitam. Therefore, he does not have any desire to acquire. Ipsa is not there. He doesn't have desire to give up anything. Jihasa is not there. In other words, if there is any desire to acquire or to give up something, to get rid of something, it is only out of ignorance. That is this Purvardha of this shloka. First part says this. Second part says, to such people, upayan bhasayate. Shastram upayan bhasayate. What does Shastra do? It reveals such means to acquire and to get rid of things for ajnani. So such means prapti hanarthan upayan. Prapti arthan upayan, han arthan upayan. So Shastra's job is only to illumine, to reveal such means for particular task. Like Surya, Arkavat. The importance of this Drishtanta of Surya is, Surya by its Sannidhi is accomplishing everything. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't prompt people. In the same way, here also, Shastra only reveals upaya. Tika on page 22, first line. वैषयिक सुखा भावेपि सुषुप्तौ सुखमहमस्वाप्सम् इति आत्मनः सुखरूपतायाः स्वानुभवसिद्धत्वात् परमप्रेमास्पदत्वेन सुखरूपतानुमानात् एषोऽस्य परमानन्द आत्मैवानन्द इति आगमतश्च तस्य नित्य निरतिशय आनंद स्वभावता सिद्धेः अजरम अमरम अभयम अशोकम इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः कूटस्थत्वासंगत्व साक्षित्वादिभ्यश्च. Let us see this much. Acharya is trying to prove with the help of Shruti Yukti Anubhava that Atma itself is Ananda Swarupa. Therefore, you don't need anything. And because Atma's Swarupa is Ananda, it will never go away. Prakriti seti vigneya swabhavam na jahatiya. Prakriti of a thing, nature of a thing is that which will not give up its swabhava, means its essential nature. That is called Prakriti. What is the Prakriti of Atma? Ananda. How do we know? Because it will not give up this swabhava. So with the help of Shruti Yukti Anubhuti, he is proving. First, Anubhava. In Sushupti, what is he proving? Atma is Ananda Swarupaha. Vaishayika Sukha Bhave Api Sushuptau. In Sushupti, even in the absence of Vaishayika Sukha, Vishayajanya Sukham, Vaishayikam, Sukha Bhave api, Sukham aham aswapsam iti atmanah Sukharupatayaha Swanubhava Siddhatvat. This is Hetu number 1. Swanubhava is what? Sukham aham aswapsam. I had great Sukham. Aswapsam, Lang Lakar Rupam. न किंचिद अवेदिशम. Then इति आत्मनः सुखरूपतायाः. Atma's Sukha Swarupa is Swanubhava Siddha in Sushupti 1. Second, Parama Premaspadattvena Sukharupata Anumanat Ayam Atma Paranandaha Parapremaspadatvat. So, because it is Parapremaspada, therefore it must be Paramananda. Atma will be Parama Ananda Swarupa. So this is the second one. Parapremaspada. Shruti Uddharan is given, Eshosya Paramananda. This is Brahadaranyaka 4.3.32. Atmaivananda. Atmaivananda, this quotation is not known, but Ananda Atma, this quotation is there. Then, iti agamatasya tasya nitya niratishaya ananda swabhavata siddhehe. Tasya atmanaha. Atma is nitya niratishaya ananda swarupa. Ajaram amaram abhayam ashokam ityadi shrutibhyaha. And this Shruti, Brahadaranyaka 4.4.25 says Atma is Ajara, Ajaraha, Amaraha, Amrataha, Abhayaha. So this is slightly different. Here everything is in Dvitiya. There everything is in Prathama. But all these words are given there. Ityadi Shrutibhyaha Kutasthatva Asangatva Sakshitvadibhyascha. This is my Swarupa. I am Kutastha, Asanga, Sakshi. And earlier it was given Ajara, Amara, Abhaya, Ashoka. Nitya Niratishaya Ananda. So with Shruti, Yukti, Anubhuti, this much is known. Swabhavataha, now further. Parihrita Ashesha Anarthatva Siddhesha Evam Bhutatma Yathatmya Anavabodhadeva Hita Prepsa Dukkha Jihasa Cha Bhavati. Swabhavataha Parihrita Ashesha Anarthatva Siddhesha. Swabhavataha, it is understood in Atma there is no anartha. Swabhavataha Parihrita. Parihrita means taken away. Ashesha Anartha. all anarthas are taken away from Atma. परिहृत अशेष अनर्थत्व सिद्धेश्च एवं भूतात्म याथात्म्य अनवबोधात् एवं भूत आत्म याथात्म्य. This is the nature of Swarupa, nature of Atma. So two things. That Atma is Kutastha, Asanga, Sakshi, Ananda Swarup. Nitya Niratishaya Ananda. This is one. And in that Atma, Anartha can never exist. Means in me, Dukkham can never come. Dukkha, Shoka, Bhaya, nothing. So this is the nature of me. I am this. This is not known. Atma Yathatmya Anavabodha Ajnanam is there. Because of that, Hita Prepsa Dukkha Jihasa cha Bhavati. Therefore, there is Hita Prepsa. Hita Prepsa, a desire for having good to oneself. What good you can add to infinite Brahma? And how Dukkham can come in Asanga Brahma? Neither is possible. Neither you can add anything to infinite Brahma to make it better, nor you can have Dukkham in Asanga Brahma. But because I do not know that this is how I am Kutastha, Ananda Swarupa and Asanga, I go on struggling, remaining at the level of Pramata, who has Sukha Dukkha Anubhava. I constantly struggle to adjust my life and come to some state where I feel, oh, I am so exalted today. Then tomorrow again is the same story. Yeah, again you run around. Similarly, one dukkha you get rid of, one problem you fix somehow, and you take a sigh of relief. And then next day some other problem shows up. Because at the level of pramata, there is never going to be an end of these two. So there will be constant struggle. In other words, when Atma Jnanam is there, this struggle will not be there, should not be there. If I say I have Atma Jnanam and I am struggling, you can put forth some effort, but don't struggle for Hita Prepsa or Dukkha Jihasa. न पुनः शास्त्रमेव यूयं कर्तारो भोक्तारश्च युष्माकं प्राप्यं परिहार्यं च अस्ति तस्मात् युष्माभिर्हितं प्रेप्सितव्यम् अहितं च जिहासितव्यं यूयं वर्णाश्रम वयोवस्था विशेषवन्त इति कर्तृत्वादिकम् उत्पादयति बोधयति वा. So Shastram Punaha Eva Yuyam Kartaro Bhoktarascha. Shastra does not say, you have to put verb at the end. Na Utpadayati, na Bodhayati. Kartrutvadikam. Shastra doesn't say you are Karta. Shastra doesn't say you are Bhokta. Shastra doesn't say you have to acquire something, you have to get rid of this thing. Yushmakam prapyam cha asti, pariharyam cha asti. Shastra doesn't say any of this. And therefore, tasmat yushmabhihi hitam prepsitavyam ahitam cha jihasitavyam. And therefore, you must acquire what is good for you. You must get rid of what is sorrowful for you. and who you are, yuyam varna ashrama vayo vastha visheshavantah iti. Yuyam means you all. Yushmat Shabda. Which rupa is this?
Prathama Bahuvachanam.
Jash. Jash rupa. Varna ashrama vaya avastha. Vayas Shabda is there. Therefore, vayo vastha. That you belong to this varna, this ashrama, in this age, then you have to do this karma. Ashtavarsham brahmanam upanita tam vedam adhyapayita. So you have all these visheshas. Visheshavantaha yuyam iti kartritvadikam na utpadayati, na bodhayati va. It doesn't create, it doesn't instruct also these things. Kartritva, bhoktritva. Kintu स्वयमेव अध्यारोपित कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्व वर्णाश्रम वयोवस्था विशेषवतां पुंसां स्वत एव प्रेप्सितस्य हितस्य जिहासितस्य च अहितस्य प्राप्तये परिहाराय च साधनं जिज्ञासमानानाम् इदं साध्यम् इदं च साधनम् इति साध्य साधन संबंध मात्रम यथावस्थितम अकवत् प्रकाशयति. शास्त्रम न पुनः प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति जनने अपि शास्त्रस्य व्यापारस् तत्र तु उदासीनम् इत्यर्थः. किंतु what does Shastra do? Shastra doesn't do. People do. What? Swayameva adhyaropita kartritva. Varna I am karta. I am bhokta. Means nobody will say this, but they will act in this way only. I am karta bhokta. That's all. Swayameva adhyaro varnashrama vayovastha visheshavatam. People may not say, I belong to this varna ashrama. But kartritva bhoktritva is there. Vaya and avastha is there. This much abhimanam is enough for them to struggle. Visheshavatam pumsam swata eva prepsitasya hitasya. Prepsita, in all of this, how many times this word came? Prepsa, prepsita, prepsatam, all of them same shabda. Ipsa is the mula shabda, apnut dhatu. Prepsitasya hitasya. Jihasitasya cha ahitasya. What is hita is prepsita. What is ahita is jihasita. Praptaye pariharaya. Hita tasya Visheshana is for whom? Jignasama. Jignasamananam pumsam. Did you hear my question?
No, Swamiji.
Swami, it is not clear.
Jnasamanan. Jignasamananam is Visheshana for what?
Pumsam.
Prepsitasya pumsam, correct. Prepsitasya hitasya jihasitasya cha ahitasya. So prepsitasya hitasya praptaye. Jihasitasya ahitasya cha pariharaya. To get rid of ahita and to acquire for oneself what is hita. Sadhanam jignasamananam. Those who are seeking the sadhana, what is the means? What is the means? In this way they want to know. So to them, idam sadhyam, idam cha sadhanam, iti sadhya sadhana sambandham matram, yathavasthitam, arkavat prakashayati. This is the sadhya, this is the sadhana. Idam sadhyam, idam sadhanam, this is the goal, this is the means. This is what Vedas do. Vedas don't say you are karta, you are bhokta, you should acquire good things, you should get rid of sorrowful things. All these things, Shastra doesn't say. Idam sadhyam, idam cha sadhanam, iti sadhya sadhana sambandha matram, yathavasthitam arkavat prakashayati. It is yathavasthitam, it is already existing. Yathavasthitam avasthitim anatikramya. Yathavasthitam. Without transgressing how it is. Shastram arkavat prakashayati. Shastra's job is only to prakashanam. न पुनः प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति जनने अपि शास्त्रस्य व्यापारस. प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति जनने अपि शास्त्रस्य व्यापारः न. Shastra is not interested in creating pravritti or forcing someone to nivritti. Shastra will only illumine. Shastram tu udasinam tatra. Tatra tu shastram udasinam. Shastra is udasina. So what Siddhanta is trying to tell, Shastra is not responsible for karma. And therefore, this, your idea that Shastra is saying do this karma, do that karma, Shastra is not saying anything. Shastra is only revealing. Shastra doesn't say you are karta or bhokta. So you cannot say because Shastra is saying therefore I have to do. It is the Bhranti which is prompting you. And I am karta bhokta, I need to go after hitam. I need to go away from ahitam. This even animal knows. Animal also does the same thing. Pashvadi bhishya avisheshat. They have not studied Shastra. They also have the same tendency. So you cannot say, Shastra is asking me to do things. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
Evam sankshepat इष्टानिष्ट साधन ज्ञानाद रागद्वेषौ भवतस ततश्च पुरुषस्य प्रवृत्ति निवृत्ति भवत इति पूर्व श्लोकोक्तमर्थम सोपस्करम अनुद्य वर्तिष्यमाण ग्रंथस्य तात्पर्यम् आह एवं तावत् इत्यादिना. Evam sankshepatāh. In this way, In brief, Ishtanishta sadhana jnanat, through Ishta Anishta sadhana jnana, I will have the knowledge what is Ishta sadhana, what is Anishta sadhana. Ishtancha Anishtancha iti Ishtanishte te sadhane tasya jnana, Ishtanishta sadhana jnana. So by that there will be raga dvesha. Raga dvesha, because what is my ishta sadhana I would want, what is my anishta sadhana I would have dvesha. So this he had already explained earlier in detail. That's why it is said here, see, raga dveshau bhavata tatasya purushasya pravritti nivritti bhavata. This was already said. Iti purva shlokoktam artham sopaskaram anudya. Sopaskaram. Upaskara means an essential ingredient which will make it complete, or some instrument which will make a thing better is called upaskara. Upaskarena saha sopaskaram. So here the upaskara is in the form of this Shruti, Yukti, Anubhuti part. This was not said earlier. Earlier it was only said Atma is Ananda Swarupa. Now with the help of Shruti, Yukti, Anubhuti, it was established Atma is Ananda Swarupa and it is Kutasa, Asanga, Sakshi, etc. Ajara, Amara, Amrita, Bhaya. So there is no possibility of adding anything hitam. There is no possibility of getting rid of anything ahitam. This part, so this Shruti, Yukti, Anubhuti part, Pratyaksha Pramana, Anumana Pramana and Shabda Pramana. This portion was not discussed earlier. That he gave now. This is Upaskaram. Purvo Shlokoktam Artham Sopaskaram Anudya. This Upaskara, in this, Upa is Upasarga. Then Kri Dhatu is there, Dikri Karane Dhatu. In that, Ach Pratyaya comes. By Nandi Grahi Pachadibhyo Luninyachaha. This is the sutra, this is Prasiddha Sutra. Nandi Grahi Pachadibhyo Luninyachaha. Ach Pratyaya comes. And then there is Sut. So that Sut Pratyaya between Upa and Karam, Sa comes. So it becomes Upaskaram. Upaskritya, you might have heard this word also, Upaskritya. For Sut Agama, there is a sutra, Upat Prati Yatna Vaikritat Vakyadhyahareshu. Sut 6.1.139. 6.1.139.
Swamiji, there is another sutra that says if there is some pari upasarga, sut agama happens.
That also could be there. What is that sutra?
Some pariyupebhya karauto bhushane. Bhushanarthe sut agama.
So this is the same prakarana. Here also Karautau Anuvritti is there and Sut is the Agama. So here they have given the Drashtanta Upaskritam Gacchati, Upaskritam Adhite. This is upat pratiyatna vaikrita vakyadhyahareshu. Pratiyatna vaikrita vakyadhyahareshu. And Nandigrahi Pachadibhyaha is 3-1-134. So, with the help of this Shruti Yukti Anubhuti, this becomes complete. Upaskara is there. हाँ, अस्वापसम इज लुंग लकार है. उत्तम पुरुष एक वचन अस्वापसम लुंग लकार. सोपस्करम अनुद्य वर्तिष्यमाण ग्रंथस्य तात्पर्यम आह एवं तावत. In Mulam, so now the next granthas तात्पर्य is given. एवं तावत प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान आगम प्रमाण अवष्टंभाद आत्मनो निरतिशय सुख हित अव्यतिरेक सिद्धेर हितस्य च षष्ठ गोचरवत् स्वत एव अनभिसंबंधात् एवं स्वाभाव्य आत्म अनवबोध मात्रात् एव हितम में स्याद हितम में माभूत इति मिथ्या ज्ञानम तु ऊषर शक्ति शुक्ति का अनवबोधोत्थम मिथ्या ज्ञानवत् प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम इति निर्धारितम. Long sentences only. Evam tavat, and therefore pratyaksha anumana agama praman avashtambhat, with the support of pratyaksha anumana and agama pramana. Pratyaksha is anubhava, anumana is yukti, agama is shruti. So you see what Tikakar did. Tikakar read the Mulam, and in Mulam it was said evam tavat pratyaksha anumana agama pramana avashtambhat. Now in the previous mantra, the previous shloka, there is no pratyaksha anumana agama described. Therefore in his tika he started with these three pramana, vaishya sukha bhavepi. This is the role of tikakara, that he sees that Acharya said something in one shloka, in something else in next shloka. And he expects that in between something is there, which even though in the previous shloka it is not given, Tikakar says, I have to supply now. So that's why he gave the three pramana. Avashtambhad atmano niratishaya sukha hita avyatireka siddhehe. Atmanaha niratishaya sukha hita avyatireka. Vyatireka means abhava. Vyatireka means abhava. Avyatireka means abhava is abhava. Means always bhava rupa only. Atmano niratishaya sukha hita bhava. Atma is niratishaya sukha swarupa, a bhava rupa. Hita. No other hita can come other than Atma. It is siddha. Sukha hita avyatireka siddhe. And ahitasya cha shashtha gocharavat. What is shashtha gochara? Tika.
अभाव प्रमाण गोचर.
Sixth, Shashtham is Shashtha Pramanam. It is given, otherwise I would have asked you. So first Pramana is Pratyaksha. Second is Anumana. Third is either you say Shabda or Anumana or Upamana. So Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda. Then Arthapatti. Fifth one. Sixth Pramana is Anupalabdhi Pramana. अनुपलब्धि प्रमाण विषय गोचर षष्ठ गोचर अनुपलब्धि प्रमाण विषय गोचर मीन्स विषय. व्हाट इज द विषय ऑफ अनुपलब्धि प्रमाण?
अभाव.
That's why it is given षष्ठ गोचर one. What is षष्ठ गोचर?
Ahita.
Ahita always have abhava. Ahitasya sarvada abhava. In Atma there is no ahita. So in Atma ahitasya sarvada abhava. Hitasya sarvada bhava. This is what that line says. If you read this way, Atmano niratishaya sukha hita vyatireka siddhehe ahitasya cha shashta gocharavat, then you will not know what he is saying. What he is saying is, you are sarvada hitaswarupa and never ahitaswarupa. Therefore, you don't need any other hitam. You don't have to get rid of any ahitam. But this bhasha, to understand and assimilate the main thing, is also important. Swatah eva anavisambandhat. Let us see tika a little bit. Yadyapi na purva shloke pratyakshanumanagamah kanthoktas tathapi prepsa jihasayor moha hetutvam upadarshayata atmanah sukha swabhavatvasya upadarshitattvat tatra cha pramananveshane cha saushuptika anubhava lakshanam pratyaksham parapremaspadatva anumanam. Even though in the Purva Shloka, Pratyaksha Anumana Agama no Pramana Kanthoktaha means Shabdataha they are not given. Tathapi. But what is given? Prepsa Jihasayor Moha Hetutvam. Prepsa and Jihasa, they both have Moha as their Hetu. Prepsa Jihasayoho Moha Hetutvam. Moho Hetur Yayoho Prepsa Jihasayoho Tau Prepsa Jihasayoho Tau Prepsa Jihasayo Moha Hetuho. They both have Moha as their Karanam. So how we say, if Dhuma is there, Vanni has to be there. Right? This is Vyapti. Here it is. Prepsa is there, Moha is there. Jihasa is there, Moha is there. This is what he says. If I have a serious desire to acquire something, if I have a desire to get rid of something, that means Ajnanam is there. If I say I have a serious desire to get rid of Ajnanam, so he says that means it is there. Then only you will work to get rid of it. Ajnanam is there. I have desired to attain Brahmatva. That means Ajnanam is there. because you are already Brahma. You don't have to acquire. I am giving only these two examples. These are the two extremes, Brahmatva and Ajnanam. In between, I want this position, I want this title, I want recognition. People should know that I am existing. Most people have this inherent desire. They want everybody to know that I am existing. Please note, I am there. I as a person. Because otherwise, nobody wants to know, nobody cares whether you are existing or not. So this is one of the inherent desire of ignorant person. They want to go on announcing, I am there, everywhere. You don't have to do that. But this is there. This is also Ajnana. Ajnanam is the hetu here. Moha hetutvam upadarshayata atmanah sukha swabhavattvasya upadarshitattvat. So, while showing that Prepsa Jihasa has Moha as their hetu, Atmanah Sukha Swabhavatva is also Upadarshita. Tatra cha Pramananveshane cha Saushuptika Anubhava Lakshanam Pratyaksham. And when Pramana Anveshanam is done, then Sushupti Saushuptikam Anubhava Lakshanam. Pratyaksham, that is Pratyaksham. Parapremaspadatva Anumanam. Parapremaspadatva Anumanam we saw today in the beginning of the session. Yeshosya Paramanandaha. And this Shruti, Ityadi Shrutischa Parigrihyate. Tasmat. Na Anukta Anuvada iti drashtavyam. Therefore, it is not Anukta Anuvada. Means it is already said, thereafter he says this. And Shashtha Gocharavat iti Abhava Pramana Gocharavat ityartha. Sixth Pramana. And when it is given, Shashti. So you should understand Sambandha he is talking about. Shashtha Pramana means Anupalabdhi. Shashti means Sambandha. Kutastarhi pravritti rityata aha. Why there is pravritti? Ityata aha evam swabhavya iti. In Moolam, स्वतः एव अनभिसंबंधात एवं स्वाभाव्य आत्म अनवबोध मात्रात स्वतः एव अनभिसंबंधात means asambandhat. There is no swatah sambandha with anyone. Atma is asanga. Evam swabhavya atma anavabodha matra deva. Atma, when there is anavabodha, ajnanam of this Atma, then hitam me syad ahitam me ma bhut iti. Then such notion comes. May all good things happen to me. May no bad things come to me. And when people go and ask in temple also, this is the prayer. Hitam me syad ahitam me ma bhut. This is the real prayer. So when somebody prays like this, Bhagavan says, this is Ajnani. This person, if he improves, then I will give Jnana. They don't ask Hitam me syad. They will ask so many different things in different way. Ahitam me ma bhut. इति मिथ्या ज्ञानम तु ऊषर शुक्तिका अनवबोधोत्थ मिथ्या ज्ञानवत् ऊषर शुक्तिका अनवबोधोत्थ मिथ्या ज्ञानवत्. ऊषर means desert. Shuktika, you know what is Shuktika? Shell. Shell. Ushara Shuktika Anavabodha. Ajnanam. Anavabodhotham. Anavabodhotha mithya jnana. Arising from Ajnanam of these Adhisthana, some Anyatha Grahanam takes place. Mithya Jnanavat Pravritti Nimittam iti nirdharitam. This is the Pravritti Nimittam. Just as in Ushara Anavabodha, I see Udakam, Jalam, and I run there. There is Pravritti. Pravritti Nimitta is Ushara Ajnanam, Ushara Anavabodha. Similarly, Shukti Anavabodha is responsible for, that Mithya Jnanam is responsible for. So you have to remember, Anavabodha is Agrahanam. Mithya Jnanam is Anyatha Grahanam. When Ajnanam is there, Tad Uttha Mithya Jnanam. Anavabodhotha Mithya Jnana. Agrahanotha Mithya Jnanam or Agrahanotha Anyatha Grahanam. So Pravritti is there when Shukti is not seen and Rajatam is seen, then I run towards it. So Pravritti Nimittam is Nirdharitam first. Why am I so active? Why am I so busy? This is the one thing. Mithya Jnanam. Why everybody is busy? If you ask general question. Ajnana. Ajnana Yogat. No Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. This is Ajnana Yoga. Ajnana Yogat evam bhavati. Tika. यथा भूतात्म स्वरूप अनवबोधात् हितं मे स्याद् अहितं मा भूत् इति मिथ्या ज्ञानं भवति तत् प्रवृत्ति निमित्तम् इत्यर्थः. यथा भूत आत्म स्वरूप अनवबोधात्, because of atma swarupa jnanam, as yatha bhuta means I am ananda swarupa asanga kutastha sakshi, this I don't know. Therefore, hitam me syat, ahitam me ma bhut, iti mithya jnanam bhavati. This mithya jnanam arises. Tat pravritti nimittam. That is the pravritti nimittam. Pravrittehe nimittam. Pravritti nimittam. Uttarardhartham anuvadati shastram cha. Uttarardhartham anuvadati. Uttarardha, the second part, is given. Shastram cha na padartha shakti adhana krit iti etasyeva uttaratra prapancha arabhyate. Shastram is not padartha shakti adhana krit. Shastram doesn't say this you have to do, that you have to do. Padartha shakti adhanam is not done by Shastra. Padarthanam Shaktim Atmanaha Kartritva Bhoktritvadi Shaktim Swargadehe Sadhyatva Shaktim Yagadehe Sadhanatva Shaktim Na Adhatte. Shastram doesn't say you have Kartritva Bhoktritva, you means Atma has Kartritva Bhoktritva. Swargadi is your Sadhya. Swargadehe Sadhyatva Shaktim. Yagadehe sadhana, yaga has sadhanatva. Shastram na adhatte. Kintu prakashayati eva. Iti uktam. Shastra only illumines it. Means it just tells. It doesn't put those things there. nije eva tu iti. But by oneself, all these things are added. That is given in the shloka, which we will see in the next session. 30th shloka. Tika, most of it is all covered. Only 2 lines are there. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakrtau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.